At bestofluxury.com, our evaluation of jewelry is a rigorous and comprehensive process that identifies the best designer jewelry brands in the luxury industry. There are a large number of brands that claim to offer world-class appeal and attention to detail, but we don't take those claims at face value. We put those claims to the test. Our service helps enthusiasts and connoisseurs find the right jewelry. Our methodology for researching and evaluating jewelry brands is a meticulous process in which our research team performs market research to better understand the most important aspects of design and construction. Our network of passionate jewelry enthusiasts provide us with a wealth of resources and experiences in evaluating and critiquing various types of jewelry based on a number of different aspects. The jewelry brands featured in our rankings are evaluated based on texture, jewel authenticity, color, arrangement, and bond. The texture of a unique piece of jewelry is an important consideration. The jewelry should be smooth in areas that touch the skin, and the texture in other areas should be designed to reflect or absorb light, depending on the inclusion and placement of gems and precious metals. Our evaluators also evaluate the textures of patterned or designed jewelry, which contains intricate design patterns and a great attention to detail. The authenticity of the gemstones used is another aspect of our evaluation. Our evaluators check with different well-known associations that verify the authenticity of different stones and brands to ensure that the jewels which are being used are not only authentic jewels, but also the quality is impeccable and has been inspected by professionals with a wealth of experience and insight. Colors are also evaluated for each type of gem and each component of the jewelry. The balance of color within a single piece of jewelry is a crucial part of what determines whether a given piece is a true work of art or a very expensive trinket. Our evaluators know specifically what to look for, and they share that technical knowledge with you. Our experts combine their findings to issue their overall opinions on the design and quality of available jewelry. This aspect of our evaluation is based on specific highlights in each catalog that are considered the best pieces. We compare the arrangement of the gems, designs, and the overall shape and composition of the jewelry and how such a combination appeals to the luxury audience. Our enthusiasts also evaluate the durability of the pieces based on their overall composition and how resistant each piece is to scratching, bending, and how secure the piece is when worn. For rings, the strength of the shank and the mounting holding in the gemstone are both important to prevent damage to the ring. Other types of jewelry have their own critical aspects of durability that ensure the long-term use and protection of the pieces. Our process is meticulous and thorough, allowing us to be critical of the most vital aspects of luxury jewelry. We continue to monitor the industry for new offerings, the latest pieces, and designers who add to the reputation of each piece. To find our list of the best luxury brands of jewelry, or if interested in other luxury products and services which we recommend, visit bestofluxury.com/rankings.